The Spectrum cable box error code S0900 indicates a network or signal outage, resulting in a blank screen or a no signal message. This means your cable box isn't receiving a signal from Spectrum. First, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it from the power outlet for at least 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. While it reboots, proceed to check connections. While it reboots, check all coaxial cable connections to the box, wall, and any splitters. Ensure they are finger-tight and undamaged. Also, check Spectrum's outage map via their website or app. The updated version 25.2 offers predictive alerts to see if there's a known outage in your area. According to Spectrum's Q3 2025 report, 70% of signal-related errors are resolved through self-troubleshooting. If the error persists after these steps, move to the next troubleshooting phase. If a simple reboot doesn't resolve the S0900 error, further investigation is needed. Minimize the number of splitters connected to your cable line, as they can weaken the signal. If possible, connect the cable box directly to the wall outlet. For advanced users, a signal meter can measure dBmV levels. Aim for -15 to +15 dBmV for optimal cable TV signal. If problems arise from peak hours between 6 to 10 p.m., this could mean an overloaded signal from Spectrum due to network usage. Also, consider any environmental factors, like recent storms, that may affect signals. If the error remains after checking these elements, it's time to contact Spectrum support. Have your account information ready and explain the steps you've already taken. Technician visits may be required for persistent issues, especially those related to aging infrastructure in rural areas. Remember that industry experts say 80% of S0900 errors can be user fixed.